Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the latest release, has received international praise. Now, first and foremost, let me point out this. Not okay is a dancehall rock and roll rendition. But would you believe that the first song, the first considered rock and roll song was written by Ike Turner, a track titled Rocket 88, and sung by Jackie Brenson. The track was recorded by Sam Fields, who later went on to found Sun Records. And guess who was signed to Sun Records? None other than Elvis Presley himself, viewers and subscribers. Rock and roll was started by black musicians. Now make them tell you nothing. Now, as I said, international praise. It is hard for international artists, especially ones based overseas, to put out music on the type of fusion sounding rhythm and have it considered dancehall music, because there are some stakeholders in the music who are still not acknowledging the fusion sound in a dancehall as the dominant sound in a music currently. But look at it this way. All other genres of music, to remain relevant or to gain some form of dominance, have adopted that fusion into the movement. In North America currently, rap music is the biggest genre of music. And whether you want to call it rap, hip-hop, or you want to say there's a difference, it is what it is. But that is the biggest genre of music, not rock and roll, and not pop, nor R&B, nor jazz, or hip hop, or rap, whichever way you want to term it. But I am saying that the reason for that is the fusion sound, the diverse sets of artists we are do rap or hip hop from all walks of life. Remember, in North America, you have people from all over the world, different race, different nationalities, and they all have one thing in common: the music, rap music. Vybz Kartel is pointing out that dancehall music is applicable in any style, in any format. Sometimes what separates music viewers and subscribers is the beats per second. People don't know that. People feel like the instrument them people use are no, it's the tempo of the song that separates the genre sometimes. Because as you know, hip hop artists sample Jamaican drums all the time. You have dancehall beats that sample American 808 style drums. I just saw it go. But Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers is at the forefront of dancehall music. And guess what going on right now? He must show them that dancehall music should not be limited. You never try boxing dancehall music. Don't try to tell us that this is how we should make music. Remember, it is an artist's job not only to entertain and inspire and motivate, but also to be creative. And when you put restrictions on an artist, then you are restricting creativity. And for all who are say the teacher can't let dancehall music, no, viewers and subscribers, and I'm not like that. We are trying to show them, say, watch you know, dancehall music, as I said, whether you want to call the type of beat or the rhythm, rock, pop, hip hop, rock steady, R&B, no matter what you want to call it, a creative dancehall artist can be featured on that track. And that's what we want to remind the world. Because while there are fans of dancehall and fans of reggae from other genres of music, they might look at these new crop of dancehall artists and they might say, but they might not like the legends, them are the elders, them who know. They might not like Vybz Kartel. Some of them are trying to copy him image, him sound and ray, but you know what I mean? They feel at their attempt. And that is why people still choose for either link up with Vybz Kartel or some of the old names in the dancehall music. Because them still say the authentic creativity of those artists and of Vybz Kartel is still unnoticed or unseen in these crop of artists today. And maybe and just because the artists them bring with creative songs, maybe some producers that had restrictions on them. And I said, no, that type of sound in a ready, in a ray. Remember, the younger generation, and as a matter of fact, people at large nowadays listen to a wide variety of music. Even the radio waves right now, the airwaves, they might play diverse music. Fire still at you know what I mean? And you don't know the type of music we play this up. So people listen to a wide variety of music. Why not incorporate it in our style of music? If every other genre has sampled reggae and dancehall, why are reggae and dancehall producers afraid to sample or fuse other sounds? Forget that world notoriety. Why you expect somebody all the way in Bangladesh to appreciate or love the sound of this particular track? But just come out. And it has nothing to appeal to them. Remember, they now speak English, so them can't really hear what I say or understand it readily. The beat of it speak to them. So how you plan to reach them now? Without either adding a slang from Bangladesh, adding a saying, a cultural reference, or incorporating something from their music into ours. Why do you think we respect Afrobeat so much? Because Afrobeat sample dancehall and reggae. And that's why when we hear Afrobeat, we can readily start to dance to it. Because it sounds like something where we that expect our producers to also can make. But for some reason, we don't see them make it. And some dancehall beat, some dancehall tracks, me I go say it don't sound like it mix and master. I feel like people are focused on capturing the glory days of dancehall music and not trying to recreate glory days of our own generation. Yeah, we go on in the 90s was phenomenal. But why are we not trying to set our own pace, our own standard, and create something phenomenal for ourselves? We are limit ourselves and I say, yes, so it stop. It can go further. And Vybz Kartel, one of the only dancehall artists, I'm say, I push the envelope, I raise the bar. And I said, no, watch that play, you know? We can take it one step further. The teachers say we want the Grammy and everybody start looking and say, hey, them not have no love and no respect for dancehall music. And them not feel like dancehall music is up there with the other big name genres of music like pop, rock and roll, country, rap. That's what them basically I tell you. Because if a dancehall artist can say we want a Grammy as a dancehall artist, and are the most creative and the leading dancehall artist, and people are saying they don't believe it will happen, then give you a specific reason. If you're going to say because I'm current situation, then we will probably make you talk. But if you can just be saying because of dancehall and reggae, then we can't listen to you. Because you're not a supporter of dancehall. You might listen to the music, you might have the song them on your phone or even as your ringtone, but you still have it say that music as a back of wall music, as what they would say. You know, have it say the wider world would love or appreciate that, but you're wrong. Because majority of the big rappers have some form of love and appreciation for dancehall music. We see DJ Khaled and Timbaland recently. I say, yo, I watched the dancehall clash and I will have a joyful vibes. And Timbaland and DJ Khaled put out some of the biggest records where hip hop has ever seen. So look at that. Why are we not so appreciative of the music as our international stakeholders in music are appreciative of our music? I don't understand it. It's almost like a crab in a barrel mindset in everything we touch as yard. Even our own music, we have it say our music not fit for go out there. Why we have it say it come like an artist in our community and say I want to be an artist, and the people not supporting because I say, oh, you come from here, so, and the artist not come from here, so. Why what them should do is support the artist so that more artists can actually start forward from this, so if him boss and him friend them artists, him can help them too. But instead they must say no. It's a kind of reverse psychology that was implemented years ago. But even after the chains were freed, people still use it for other people and it become a dominant mindset today. Where if we want to discourage you, we just do them thing there. But the truth is, it is in full effect. And dancehall music is taking back its place at the table with every other big name genre of music out there. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I say I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But you like the reason, and of course you like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right just upon the platform. And like icon, then drop a like on the blog too. Share icon in close proximity. Share it. So you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reason. And yes, join the discussion via the comment section. But be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions. That's so. You wanna move settings, fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments are for you and yours. Live, love, and prosper.